Let's get one thing clear. Too many people try viral marketing and fail. The reason should be obvious. Most people have no clue what viral marketing is really all about. In fact, the more they hear the term, the more confused they get. This increases the likelihood that they will crash and burn when they try viral marketing. Let me clue you in on a secret. The secret to viral marketing is all about getting into a niche network of people. Believe it or not, people interested in whatever it is you are promoting are already congregating online. Most people who try viral marketing are clueless about this. They don't even know that this niche network already exists. So, what is the secret? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the essence of viral marketing. You will learn to identify the types of content that go viral every single day. You will understand why content goes viral. You can begin to understand effective viral marketing. You are going to learn exactly how to pull a lot of traffic from many different places on the internet. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Online Viral Marketing Secrets. Learn how to maximize your online brand visibility with less effort. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Don't join the army of viral content failures. Shocking fact, viral content is everywhere. Save time and money by deciding not to do this. The two-step trick to effective viral marketing. How do you find hot content? Maximize niche targeting for your curated content. Remember to protect yourself when sharing others' content. How to share viral content on Facebook. How to share viral content on Twitter. Filter your content formats to go viral on many platforms. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start succeeding with viral marketing. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You have no clue what viral marketing is really all about. You want to do well with viral marketing. You know publishing great content is not enough to make it go viral. You want to have a recurring source of income. You want to learn how to do viral content marketing. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Online Viral Marketing Secrets Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Online Viral Marketing Secrets Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Online Viral Marketing Secrets Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to start working with viral content, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you.